No, he's not. I saw him. He swam out. Yeah. I want him to commit to it so I can make sure I get him. Got him. That time he's... See, that was cool. That was cool. Camera got everything. He'll be fine. He's probably not even guarding anything. Little guy, but that's some good bed fish. Not a nice fish, but just a fun fish. Bed fishing here. Alright. Yeah, he's just still there. No, he'll figure it out. So this guy's checked off. We've got 2 males checked off over there. Alright. Definitely I can pretty aggressive to this turtle. Come on, buddy. You'll still be aggressive to this, right? Hopefully. Take it. Got him. Oh, yeah. Got him that time. Oh. Anyway, let me get you. Let me save you, buddy. Okay. There's that fish. Sight fishing off that bed. Pretty sure that's the buck. The female just moved in. On a bombshell turtle. I'll have to show you this. Bombshell turtle. Great bed fishing bait. Really ticks them off. Nice fish. Alright. There he goes. You weren't even sight fishing. That's hilarious. And you still got one on the pink one. He's probably on the bed though. It's a nice little fish. Alright. Well, I think I just got one. Yeah, I do.
Camera on?
It's on. It's been on. I swear, I saw him hit it as soon as it touched the water. Alright. Little guy. Really little guy. No way that's the reason. Oh, got one. Think the camera's on?
Yep.
Okay. This is a decent fish. Well, it felt decent when I hit. Yeah. It's a pretty good fish. Maybe kind of closer to some of the sizes of the bucks we caught yesterday, or at the pond today, but I don't know, he looks the biggest of the day. Not too big, but little guy. There we go. Oh, got one. Yep. That's a good fish. Yours may have been bigger. I think yours may have been bigger. Yeah, I think I was almost kind of bed fish for that thing, but I couldn't see that bed very well. Look at how long these fish are.
I know. They look like they spawned out, though.
Little guy. Okay, he was right here. He's probably gonna get it right here. He got it. What the heck? He just had like a 5-second head shake. Oh. He just did a ridiculously long head shake. On a Bitters mini naked swimmer, new bait. Nice little fish. Oh, got one. That's actually... No, I'm not gonna say anything.
Why?
I was about to say he's like kind of decent, but he's just, wow. Look, that's actually a decent fish. Slightly. You didn't get okay, but I don't know. Maybe decent. I don't care if it's big. Nice fish. That's a better fish, actually. Is it? No. They're all small here. Like, I don't mean most of them, but all of them. I don't know why.